Hi everybody, my name is Mike. I'm from Arcan Trailer, and today I'm going to go over the Primetime Sanibel 3651 model. So it's a floor plan they've had over the past couple years, but they've made some changes and they've changed around a few things on the inside as well that I'll go over with you. First, we're going to start on the outside. So you'll notice right away, high gloss gel coat on the fiberglass. Gives it a really nice clean shine to it. Front cap, it's got a 5-year warranty from the factory on there. So that's painted just like your vehicle would be. That should never fade on you, okay? You'll notice right away the big drop frame on these, which gives you a huge basement storage, okay? In here they add a little bit of outside entertainment as well. If you decided to mount a TV, there is a bracket and a hookup for it, as well as the Furion radio deck, which is Bluetooth. You'll also notice the landing gear on here. So 6-point automatic hydraulic leveling on here, okay? The Sanibels, you'll notice they do E-rated tires with an option to upgrade to G-rated as well if you like. And with the heavy-duty suspension, they also have shock absorbers under there as well, so it should ride nice and smooth, especially if you're doing a long haul. These are 4-season rated as well, so by our temperature scale, that's all the way down to -25. If you wanted to go lower than that, there's a few additional modifications we could make, but otherwise you'd be able to 4-season camp in this trailer. You'll see as well, something new this year is the step above stairs. So 4 steps, which is really nice, especially getting into such a high coach, that flip up very easily right into the trailer. And this feet here can be adjusted to any height. So very, very sturdy. We'll head inside and check it out. So the floor plan, somewhat familiar. Hasn't changed a whole lot over the years, but they did do a nice new look. So you'll see darker accents on the wood, more marble style looking countertops. New fixtures and everything like that as well. Big stainless steel sink underneath. New residential fridge this year with a 2-tier freezer. Okay, so nice to have. Residential microwave, new Furion cooktops, a nice big stove rather than the small ones of the ages past. Huge oven underneath. Again, new this year. Lots of counter space, lots of cabinets. Huge pantry. Okay, living area comes standard with the nice big 50-inch TV. Sofa bed, if you have any company. Theater seating directly across from the TV as well. And if you pan around here, you'll notice a nice little wine cooler that they added in, brand new this year as well. So you're noticing, I'm sure, all these roller shades, blackout roller shades on each of the windows. And this particular one does feature the dual pane window option for a little bit of extra insulation as well as keep condensation down. One of the things I really like is the tables that they do in these. So not only is there an extra leaf stored right in here to make the table bigger, but it also has a drawer for all your cutlery as well. So nice efficient use of space. Right when you walk in, notice a big closet. You know, you could put 4 coats in there easy. It's really nice to have. There's also a spot for shoes and whatever else that you want to use down there. Control panel, it's all nicely hidden. Okay, ceiling fan as well. It's controlled by this switch here. Keep the air circulating. We'll head up the stairs. You'll notice right away nice little night lights as well. So if you're coming down late at night and haven't turned your lights on yet, you have a nice little safety light. So upstairs, one of my favorites, the washroom. So double sink, his and her sink. Okay, lots of space underneath for everything that you'll need for a long haul. More space over here. 1-piece fiberglass shower. You know, I fit in here no problem. Might be the same size that you have at home. Check out the master. So this is all one super slide here. So closet space. This has a shelf that'll pull down in here, or you can extend it so it's nice and deep so you can hang up as a closet. King bed is standard in all the Sanibels. Second TV in the master bedroom as well, also standard. So tons of space here. Nice deep drawers. Walk-in closet. Washer dryer prep. Hangers across the top. Inside here, shoe rack, more drawers. Tons of space here. You can see how deep that is. Almost 2 feet deep. And I think that about covers it for the Sanibel. One other feature actually I should touch on is the Quiet Cool air conditioner. So you'll notice these air intakes down here, as well as on the lower floor. That helps circulate the air in here rather than, you know, just taking in air from the outside. It'll help run a little bit more efficient and about 25% cooler as well. So yeah, that about does it for the Sanibel 3651. I'm Mike from Arcan Trailer, and I'll catch you next time.